how to use Wix coupons for promotions. So let's first create that. From in there, just scroll down until you can see this marketing. Click on this discounts, and then we have in here the coupon. So for this one, just click on your coupons, and then you should be able to see this particular page right here. Click on this new coupon, and then you can choose which one you want to use. For example, let's put in here a discount. So for example, let's put in here new 10, and then it will be a discount of 10%. And you can also apply this to all your products or specific products. You can also include submission for this one. And then you can also choose in here the validity. So you can also set in here an end date wherein it will end. And then you can also limit the number of uses for this coupon right here. Now click on this create coupon. Now once this coupon has been active, so this coupon will be able to actually promote your site by giving them some discounts on particular products on your site. So once they be able to actually use this, it will serve as promotion for you since you will have orders from them. So that's how you use Wix coupons for promotions. Hope we helped.